Okay, here we are with our lesson 3, describing the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. Okay, we have what's in, answer this one. What's in? Activity 1, what are my roots? Answer this one. Direction, solve the following quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. Okay, we have 1 and 2. What's new? The discriminant. Direction, analyze the roots of the analyze the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation using the discriminant. We know that the roots of ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. R x sub 1 is equals to negative b plus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, and x sub 2 is equals to negative b minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. The number represented by b squared minus 4ac is equals to 0 is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Or shall we say, kani di ay inside the radical sign kani si b squared minus 4ac is the discriminant of the quadratic equation, di ba? Inside the radical sign kani siya, mao ni siya, is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Okay, we have cases. Case 1, case 2, this is case 2, and case 3. Nasayop ni siya. Case 1, case 2, and case 3. Let's have first case 1. Okay, it says here that if b squared minus 4ac is equals to 0, then the roots of ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0 are real and equal. Okay, example, we have x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equals to 0. Okay, first, we're going to identify the value of a, the value of b, and the value of c. So we have a is 1, di ba? Imaginary 1 ani? 1. Our b is negative 4. Negative 4. Our c is positive 4. Then, we have a is equals to 1, b is equals to negative 4, and c is equals to 4. Then, solve using the discriminant. Unsa ganito atong discriminant? This one. This one, b squared minus 4ac is equals to 0. Then, we have the discriminant is equal to, first, let's find the value of our b. Sa atong value sa b, we have negative 4. So, we have negative 4. Copy squared. Minus, diba? Minus 4. Minus 4. Next, the value of a. Pila gani si a? We have 1. Substitute 1. Next, our c. We have the value of c is 4. Then, substitute 4. Then, solve. Negative 4 squared is equal to 16. Negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. Minus 4 times 1 times 4. 4 times 1 times 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Then, 16 minus 16 is we have 0. Then, the discriminant is 0. Hence, or therefore, the roots are real and equal. Subot pa sabot, ang ato di ay roots are real and equal. Tinuod og parehas. Okay. Let's try to solve kung unsa ka tinuod nga parehas sila. Parehas ang atong roots. Okay, example. Let's have this one. X squared minus 4x plus 4 is equals to 0. Solve this one using our using factoring. Okay, factoring. How to factor this one? Simply x minus 2. squared is equals to 0. Katunga sa negative 4 is negative 2. Then, squared. How can we assurance if this one is somewhat same as the equation above, quadratic equation above? So, x minus 2 times x minus 2, we have x times x is x squared. X times negative 4 is negative, x times negative 2 is 2x. Then, negative 2 times x, we have negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Like sign, so positive. Plus, then we have x squared. Negative, like sign, negative and negative. So, i-add si numerical coefficient. 2 times 2 is we have 4. Copy x, somewhat like sign, so we have copy plus 4. So, therefore, they are the same. So, the factor of x squared minus 4x plus 4 is x minus 2 squared is equals to 0. Then proceed. Then, since we have this one, so simply, duha ka x minus 2. So, we have x minus 2 and x minus 2 equals 0. Equals 0. Then, simply, then we have plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Ano nag-plus ta to make this one as 0. Ba? Armay mo ni siyang 0. Then 0, x is equals to 0 plus 2 is 2. Then this one, pila ni? 0. So we have x is equals to 0 plus 2 is 2. Therefore, our x is x equals to 2 and x equals to 2. Therefore, since we have the same answer 2, then the roots are real and equal. Parehas equal. Ba? Okay, next. Case 2. We have case 2. Case 2. We have if case 2 if bx b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, mas dako sa 0. First, ang first nato nga case if equals 0. But what if greater than 0? Then the roots of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are real and unequal. Tinuod nga ana siya answer but dili parehas ang answer. Example, we have this one. Example, 5x squared minus 9 is equals to 4x. Gigiunsa na siya. Medyo libog. Okay, then we have 5x squared minus 9 is equals to 4x. Simply, how to simplify this one, transform this one into standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Kani siya nga equation, himuon nga parehas ani. So, simply, minus 4x. Minus 4x. Since walay kaparehas si 4, walay kaparehas nga term si 4x. Then, simply, long bar, may mo ni siyang 0. Diba? Parehas, 0. Almost the same. Copy 5x squared. Then, we have minus 4x. Minus 4x minus 9. Then, we transform this equation into standard form. Standard form, ani ang forma. Okay, then, let's find the value of A, B, and C. Pila si A, pila si B, pila si C. Si A is 5. B is negative 4. Negative 4. And our C is negative 9. Muna yung naa sa inyong module. Ba? 5, negative 4, negative 9. 5, negative 4, negative 9. Okay, then solve. We have the discriminant b squared minus 4ac is equals to the value of our b is negative 4. So negative 4 copy squared minus copy minus 4 minus 4 minus 4. Our a plus a gani 5. So substitute the value of a 5. Our c is negative 9. So negative 9. Proceed. 4, negative 4 times negative 4. Again, negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. Then, negative 4 times 5 times negative 9 is we have 180. 180 ba? Try to solve. 4 times 5 is 20, diba? 4 times 5 is 20. 2 times 9 is 18. Add 0, 180. Like sign, so positive. Since the operation is multiplication. Then, 180 or 16 plus 180 is 196. So, since we have the answer 196, since we know, kabalot nga si 196 is greater than 0. Diba? Klaro kayo, mas dako si 196 sa 0. So, therefore, the discriminant is positive. Positive and a perfect square. Therefore, the roots are real and unequal. So, since our answer is greater than 0, therefore, the discriminant or the roots are real, tinuod, and unequal. Okay, diba? Okay, let's have case 3. Case 3. In case 3, if b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, mas gamay pa sa 0, or negative numbers, kung atong answer, discriminant is negative, then the roots of ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0 are imaginary and unequal. Imaginary and unequal or no solution, no answer. Okay, example, we have 15x squared minus 10x plus 9 is equals to 0. Okay, example, we have this one. Okay, then we can solve that one. Example, we have 15x squared minus 10x plus 9 is equals to 0. Find the value of a, b, and c. So we have our a is negative 15. Our b is negative 10. Our b is negative 10. Negative 10. Our c is positive 9. So positive 9. Then, we have the discriminant b squared minus 4ac is equals to negative 10. Asa na ko si negative 10? Our b. Ba? Our b is negative 10. b, substitute negative 10 squared minus 4 minus 4. Our a, pila gani si a? We have 15. So, substitute 15. C, our c is 9. So, substitute 9. Then, proceed. Negative 10 times negative 10 is equals to 100. Negative 10 times negative 10 is equal to 100. Then, 4 times 15 times 9. 4 times 15 times 9 is 540. Negative. Since negative 4 times positive is negative. Negative times positive is negative. So, negative 540. Then, 100 minus 540, we have negative 440. Okay, the discriminant is negative or less than 0. The discriminant is negative or less than 0. Therefore, the roots are imaginary and unequal. Therefore, the roots are imaginary or wala. wala siya roots, wala answer, and unequal. Okay, you can see more examples in your book, page 91 to 93. 91 to 93. Yes, 91 to 93. Okay, then we have what's more. Answer this one. Just follow the direction. We have directions. Determine the nature of the roots of a following quadratic equation by the solution provided. Real and unequal, real and unequal, imaginary and unequal. Okay, determine the nature of the roots of quadratic equation with the solution provided. Real, identify 1 to 8 if this given equation is real and equal, or real and unequal kaha, or imaginary and unequal, using the quadratic using the discriminant. What is the formula of the discriminant? This one, b squared minus 4ac. b squared minus 4ac. That's it. Then we have our lesson 4.